In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the Go to Page feature in your publication. We will be working with the interactive panel in the Design tab in the 3D Issue software. Firstly, you must select the page on which you want to work on within the publication. To do so, just select this page from the thumbnail list presented on the right-hand side of the screen. This Go to Page feature is going to allow your end readers to jump to a specific page within your publication. It can be presented as a button on screen, as shown here. When this option is selected in the software, you must select the page number to which you want the reader to jump to when they click on this button. The button will appear on screen, and you can resize it and reposition it very easily. It can be presented to the end reader as a hotspot. This is an area of a graphic object or a selection of text maybe, that when activated, a function is then selected. When hotspot is selected in the software, the cursor changes shape. Simply move onto the page and click and drag the cursor to define the shape of the hotspot area, whether on a graphic or, as previously mentioned, it might be over a section of text in your page. Let's look at the advanced settings available for these options. You can also present rollover text to the end reader to inform them what happens. So for example, this might say, click here to go to page 12. With any hotspot area on the screen, you can make it more obvious to the end reader through the use of colour and/or the option to have sound when you roll over the area. Also when you roll out of it. You can modify the opacity levels associated with the colour chosen to highlight this area. Let's consider the size and position of the hotspot or button. The X and Y are the pixel coordinates. This defines the position of the hotspot or button on the page. They represent the coordinates of the top left of the hotspot or button. Width should define the width across from the X position, and Y defines the height of the button or hotspot from the Y position. All hotspots and buttons added to the screen can also be rotated at any angle. This does give you a greater freedom for your design. Let's now use the preview button at the top right of the screen to review some of the changes we have applied in both adding a hotspot and a button to show the Go to Page feature.